What's up, my name is Technober here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get access to the brand new experimental snapshots for Minecraft 1.19, the Deep Dark. Of course, there is a Deep Dark plugin, but this is officially built into Minecraft and with tons of exciting features. How exactly do we get it to test it out ourselves? Well, it's really simple, though we can't do it through the official installer, because in the actual installer, it unfortunately doesn't go that high, as you can see here. So how do we get access to it? Well, in the description down below, you'll find a link to Minecraft's website titled A Very Scary Snapshot. Simply scroll down here and past the changelog down here, you'll eventually reach a how do I get it? All you have to do is click the download this zip file button here, and a zip file will then download. On Windows, simply click this, and it'll open up as such. You may need to install WinZip, WinRAR, or 7-zip to open this file if you're on Windows 8.1 or later. More than likely, you can just open it up. Then you'll see a folder inside of this zip file. All we have to do now is look back on the article page over here, and you'll find the application data folder, %app.%/.minecraft. I'll be copying this, holding start, and pressing R to bring up this run dialog. I'll hit Ctrl+V to paste it, %app.%/.minecraft, and I'll hit OK to navigate into the folder. This is C uses my username app.data roaming.minecraft. If you don't see anything here, click View at the very top and make sure File Name Extensions is ticked, as well as Hidden Items. On Windows 11, these steps should be exactly the same, though those two buttons may be in a different place. Inside of here, open the Versions folder, and we'll move this folder across to the side. Heading back to the zip, we have a folder in here that I'll be dragging out and into the Versions folder entirely. Then I can close the zip. As you can see, .minecraft versions 1.19 Deep Dark, etc. I'll open this up and you can see a JSON file inside of it. Awesome. Now all we have to do is open the Minecraft launcher, head across to the Installations tab at the top and click New Installation. Then we'll give it a name. I'll say 1.19 Deep Dark. The name doesn't matter. From the version dropdown, expand this, and now you should see pending 1.19 Deep Dark Experimental Snapshot. Click this, and once it's selected, you can go more options and change the amount of RAM you'd like to give it. I'll be giving it 16 gigs. Of course, you don't have to do that. Click Create, back to the Play tab, select it from the drop down here, play, and it'll start the download. If you'd like to download a server to play with your friends, on the same article page over here, you'll see at the very bottom, Cross-Platform Server Jar, Minecraft Server Jar. You can download this and run this as you would any other server. Note, this experimental snapshot does not include all the latest 1.18 features you may have seen in recent snapshots. So we'll simply wait for the download to finish. Then it'll start up as per usual. And as you can see, Minecraft Deep Dark Experiment Snapshot 1 pending. I can head into single player, create a new world, name it whatever I want, and I'll create it. And there we go. It's Minecraft as you'd expect in the 1.19 Deep Dark Snapshot. Now, how exactly we get them, I'm not too sure. Let's try going to an ancient city. Locate ancient city, TP. There we go. Here's a ancient city structure, newly added in 1.19. Although you can't really see much. Taking some night vision. There we go. You can see it's the ancient city as we had hoped for. Awesome. So anyways, that's really about it for this quick video. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Technober here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.